Hillary Clinton's latest rallying cry for women's activism was disrupted by a coughing fit, recalling her health struggles on the 2016 campaign trail. Clinton spoke for about 8 minutes on Wednesday for a live stream video to the 2018 Makers Conference, urging women to continue fighting to keep sexism out of politics. After complaining about an all-out assault on core values of democracy, Clinton promised to soldier on. "I pledge to continue to speak out, I pledge to never give up," Clinton vows in the video before coughing. Reaching for a glass of water, Clinton stares at the camera as she gulps the drink and tells the audience that she will do everything I can to keep my voice and advance the rights and opportunities of women.